Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, A Dash of Beauty with Kia. Today I have a makeup tutorial for you all using cream foundation and cream contour. I'm going to show you guys how to get it to last all day, especially on oily skin. I also have a wig review on the unit I'm wearing right now. I love this hair. Also a demo on how I get these really cute, messy wand curls. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like. Alright guys, catch me in the next one. Bye. My Fenty Beauty primer and just priming my face. NYX Away We Glow liquid highlighter. I love this highlighter for giving me a glow from within, so I actually don't have to wear that much powder highlighter over my foundation. My skin just looks flawless every time I use this. Now that that's all blended out, I'm going into my Hourglass foundation stick, and this is a cream foundation stick in the shade Golden Almond. I love this foundation. It gives me such a flawless, ooey gooey complexion, as I like to say. Just really nice and airbrushed. It does. So taking my NYX buffing brush, I'm just going to start pressing and buffing this foundation into the skin.
This time, baby.
Next, taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC45. I'm going to begin my highlighting routine.
I'm done, baby. This time, baby. I'm done, baby. This time, baby. I'm done, baby.
The concealer is applied. I'm going to take the same brush that I used for my foundation and start blending it out. With my damp beauty blender, I'm going to set my concealer. Tap off excess. As I set my face, I'm also pressing this powder into the skin. For bronzer today, I will be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Sun Power. So, taking my my stick foundation in the shade Truffle from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I am going to now contour my face on a dual fiber brush. I'm just going to take some of that product. Now to set my cream contour, I'm going in with MAC's blush in Swiss Chocolate. Honestly, one swoosh, because we already contoured with the cream. We don't want to over contour. Like, it's daytime, we're not going out, so we just honestly want to set it in place so that it doesn't move, it doesn't crease, and we stay matte throughout the day. Going on all the places that I've contoured, even my nose with this big old brush. I don't want harsh lines, so I'm just gonna quickly set it like that, like that. We're contoured. For face powder and to dust away the excess Laura Mercier powder, I'm going to be using NYX's Stay Matte Not Flat foundation powder in the shade Deep Golden. And this is, again, a matte powder, so you want to use some matte products just to help control the oils that are going to be produced throughout the day. You don't want to be like, oh, that girl contoured, oh, she bronzed. You want everything to just look like, I woke up like this. Going over my face. Now my face is set. For blush today, we're using a liquid blush, and this is the NARS liquid blush in Torrid. Just a pretty coral color. I think this blush is so flattering for women of color. It's just coral and oranges look beautiful on dark skin, so this will just give me a more awake, fresh face, because I just want a natural, pretty look today. I'm already wearing blonde hair. I just want everything to kind of blend together. Okay, so time to get started on my eyes. For eyes today, I will be using the Master Palette by Mario. Now taking a smaller brush, I'm going in with this darker color. Using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. It doesn't really matter what shade you use. I'm just gonna clean up my crease, my lid actually. smaller brush, I'm going in with the shade Muse. Using that on the end of where the lid color ended, just to help create a nice transition between the dark and the light. Going to apply my Epic Ink liquid liner as well as my Kiss lashes in the style Poise. It's my birthday candle.
Is your birthday candle?
Thank you. I'm just going to set my face with the Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray. Okay, so makeup is complete. Let's get into this hair. Hi everyone, so now I am going to do my quick hair review and short demo. This unit is from omgherhair.com and it is the Gabrielle Union Bob in the length 10 inch and the density is 130%. This hair is really cute. I ordered it in a natural black color and I had it for about 8 months and I recently just bleached it and dyed it about 4 days ago. So the hair is held up nicely. I put some wand curls in it. I'm just gonna give you a quick demo of how I wand curl it and how it holds heat just to the front here. I'm gonna style it a little bit better, but I really do love this hair. It retails for $125 Canadian, but I caught it on a sale and they're always having sales, so you can definitely catch it at a lower price. The shipping took about let's say a week and a half to 2 weeks, but that's pretty good. They replied to me right after I hit the order button. Always kept in contact with them. They're really personable. You can change your order pretty quickly if you just email them direct. But I am very happy with this wig. I'm happy with the company. I loved it in black, but you know, I have so many black wigs, I get bored. I wanted some color in my life and I decided to go blonde. This hair comes in a natural wave, like you know that Kim Kardashian wet hair look? It comes like that. So if you wet it or put some product in it, it's gonna stay like that nice wave. But since I got the lower density, it looked a little empty on my head, and I do have like round cheeks, so I feel like I need some body in my life, you know, just to offset it. So I do suggest ordering it in the highest density. But I love this wig. It held up through summer, perfect through the summer. It's nice, lightweight. I got the glueless cap and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. I did put an elastic band in it just to help it stay on a little bit flatter, and I don't even need baby hairs with this unit. I did cut some, but I find baby hairs are too annoying because I like to take my wigs off in the night and sleep. But yeah, it doesn't even need baby hairs. It did come pre-plucked. I absolutely love this wig. So if you want to see me curl it up a little bit, just keep watching. So now I'm just gonna get to show you how it wand curls. I did put this argan oil of Morocco extra penetrating oil for dry hair just because I did dye it, and it actually helped keep the curls. It helped the wig hold the curls for way longer than I expected. Also, while I was bleaching it, I did not deep condition this hair a lot at all, and it didn't really need to. The hair still was soft and silky.